So, welcome to Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. So, what do we have here in this living room? First, I love this design. There is a lot of art and like unique furniture, dining table, one TV and a lot of art, and this unique coffee table. Here we have a king bed, mini bar, perfect bench. You can see the strip. It's so beautiful. And now let me show you a bathroom. And this bath is giant. 2 sinks, shower and water closet. We're in British hotel. And here is closet, which like hall combined with closet. We have safe, we have separate closet. Here we have makeup and workstation 2-in-1 with USB Type-C and regular USB and plug. And pretty much that's it, and big mirror.
This hotel is located off-strip. Right now it's a little bit of a walk to the strip, so if you are planning to stay in Virgin Hotel, plan to use Uber. But because it's off-strip, they have a beautiful street view. So all of the hotels are just lined up beautiful just for us to enjoy. Can't wait to see the night lights.
So, if you remove something from minibar, the system charges you automatically.
What we absolutely love here is design. All the furniture here is unique. It's not your standard hotel couches and beds that you would see. Everything is like custom made, and you won't find it in any other hotel. It looks like a custom made furniture that you would order for your home or apartment, and it's really cool.
And now let's check the dusty places. By the way, here is clean. Yes, here is clean.
Dude, it's new.
So let's check the nightstand. Usually it's dirty. But this one is clean. Oh, this one is clean. Let me check that one. And this one is clean. I know this hotel is brand new, but let's check the yellow stain. Yeah, the mattress is clean.
Let's go and check casino and the common grounds. And the pool is really cool. It has this, nightclub or Nikki Beach feeling with lots of day beds. It looks good. I think it can get crowded at some days. Do you want to go to the pool? Yeah?
is good, but the pillow is horrible. It's a little bit firm for me and they have only one style. And you know, it's a breakfast time. Let's go! Are you ready to breakfast?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry. I was waiting for 1 hour and a half for you. So, I always do pancakes, no matter what. He does either Benedict or French toast.
Crab Benedict.
They do not have Benedict, but they have lots of different egg dishes, but they do have pancakes, so it's easy for me.
Ready for breakfast.
Looks great.
French toast.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looks fluffy.
Let me try this French toast. Looks good. I love this French toast. Oh my gosh. It's so good. With strawberry. Yes, I want to try your pancake.
But you will not share with me.
No, I'm not sharing with you. I just like working on video to try your pancakes. You know, it's my job. It's good. I love it. Some cream with nuts. So, the food is so delicious here.
So we love the pool, they are amazing. You have a feeling that you are on the beach, and there is one more pool that just turns into a nightclub after 11 p.m. So that's really cool. But to access pools, you have to go through the casino. That's something I don't like.